Hello, Mr. Forbes. For the first video project, I will make a video about Word and how useful knowledge of this program will be in the professional world. In the business industry, the way we present ourselves is the first step in making an impression that people will remember and setting us apart from the competition. This semester, in our Information Technology course, we learned how to properly use multiple programs like Word and Access. To explain clearly how the things we learned in class is important in a real-life context, I will go over Module 4 and Module 5 of the Word section in the Microsoft Office 365 Office 2016 Intermediate. With the right utilization of the Microsoft software Word, you can make a really powerful resume to show your past experiences, efforts, education, etc., and at the same time demonstrate your skills you possess with this particular computer tool. Now, to begin, an aspect of the theory learned in Module 4 that will be as helpful in the course as in real life is that by going in the Insert tab and clicking on the object arrow, and then you click on Text from File, you can import the content of another document to your current file. When having to create a resume, it would be helpful to import files that would add to what you are trying to create without having to start from scratch. For example, if you have a Word document resuming a diploma of some sort, by importing it to your resume, you could save a considerable amount of time. This tool could also be used in many other text or paper you would write in a day-to-day basis, since merging two files together is a way to help you from having to rewrite a whole paragraph or a section which you would have elsewhere. To continue, in Module 5, there is another thing the book we studied in class taught us, and it is to use options and tools of Word to make the creation of documents easier and the most visually appealing possible. Between all the tricks that we have learned, one that is simple but effective is that by pressing the Shift plus F1 keys, it opens the Reveal Formatting Task pane. This can really come in handy when you want to know what is the font, the size, or the exact color of a paragraph, heading or subheading. Furthermore, this pane can even help you to find out what is the alignment, the indentation, the spacing, and the specificities of the margins for a specific section. Using this tool will make the visual aspect of a resume or any document more professional. For example, if you use the same formatting for every subheading, the overall look of your CV will be more attractive. And not only was this helpful to know in the context of the course, but it will also be in real life since it helps you to be quicker and use Microsoft Word more efficiently. As a conclusion, when we think of everything we have seen in class, we can easily see how it will be useful and beneficial in a business context. From editing fonts and themes to importing other files into a Word document. There are multiple uses to this program, and I am sure there will be a lot of opportunities to use all of them. In overall, I found it very interesting and very rewarding to learn all these new tricks with the Word software, since now I feel I already know more. I already am more ready to use them in a more serious context, like for an employer. Now here are my works cited for all of the things that I used to create my presentation. Thank you, Ms. Forbes.